So there you are, that's our yoghurt made. A nice simple yoghurt and a Greek style yoghurt. Easy to make in the slow cooker. Everybody can do it, it's so simple. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, yoghurt. We're making yoghurt. We made yoghurt the other day in the Instant Pot and I was absolutely inundated with people saying they have crock-pot slow cookers. They would like to know how to make yoghurt. We're going to make yoghurt in the slow cooker crock pot. It is so easy to do. I'm using whole milk and this is on yellow ticket as per usual. I always buy the reduced milk. Perfect for yoghurt. Perfect. Let's get the milk in the slow cooker. Nice and straightforward. Come on. That will do. Lid on. On. That's as easy as that. We will be taking a temperature reading in about 2 hours just to check what temperature it is. We need to get the whole milk up to 83 degrees, which it will do in about 2.5 hours. That's how slow this thing is. And then we have to let it cool down before we can add our culture to kick this off to make yoghurt. Just give this a little check here. There we go, it's up to 82.2, that's near enough to 83, that's fine. All we've got to do now is turn that off. Turn it off and it's got to cool down to 43 degrees. Just leave it to cool. Okay, it's been hours here. Let's go in there, have a look. We're about 46 degrees. 46 is going down. That'll do. We're not going to wait any longer. We're going to do it now. Right, it's the same procedure as making any yogurt. This is probiotic yogurt. This is the stuff that's got all the bugs in. Oops, sorry. What we need to do is a little bit of milk from there. And we want to take our yogurt. Now it's the same as any way, Instant Pot, whatever. It's 1 tablespoon per litre of milk, and you know we've got about 4 3/4 litres in there, so we're going to put this whole carton in actually, and then we just give it a mix in without making a mess. Just give it a mix in, stir it all through that milk. Nice and steady, break it up in there. In we go with all that. Get it all in. We want all that active goodness in there. And then just give it a stir through. Let's get it all in there. All swimming around inside. Lid back on. Now, here comes the difference with making yogurt like this and not in an Instant Pot. This has to be wrapped. Take yourself a towel. It's not switched on. You don't put it back on to cook anything. You take a towel and you cover it. Make it as snug as a bug in a rug. It wants its own little environment in there. This is going to be the incubation stage of our yoghurt in there. In fact, I might put it on the table just for tonight. So that's it basically. We stick that on there. 9 hours, somewhere around about there. We're going to come and have a look and we'll have yoghurt. There you go. That's how easy it is to start the yoghurt off, and we'll check it in 9 hours time. Hi everyone, Next morning, let's have a look. It's been stood here all night, covered up in this towel. Let's get this towel off here. Oh, it's looking like yogurt. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells like yogurt. It smells amazing. Oh, how easy is that? Come on. Oh, look at that. Fabulous, fabulous. Oh, it's just like yogurt. Okay, we've got to do exactly the same as we did before on the Instant Pot video. We have to put this in a tub. We have to stick in the fridge. Minimum of 4 hours. Minimum. And to turn this into Greek yogurt, we're going to do exactly the same as we did before. We're going to let it strain into a bowl. So obviously the whey comes out, thickens up the yogurt, you end up with a good creamy Greek style yogurt. Come on, let's do it. And what we're going to do, we're going to go for more Greek yogurt today than normal yogurt. I have a fridge full of yogurt, but you know, we could use Greek yogurt a little bit more. So we take our cotton cloth, okay? That's all it is a cotton cloth. Some people call it a cheesecloth. It's just cotton to me. That goes in a bowl, in a sieve, in there. So because we are just going to put it in and let it sieve, just get anything you want. Oh, look at that in there. Oh, that is exceptional. Look at that for yogurt. Wowzer. Now, I can tell you my honest opinion. I think this is set up a lot better like this than it did in the Instant Pot. So that just shows everybody can make yogurt at home. I'm going to put some in a tub. We've got to get it in there, haven't we? We've got to have some yogurt to put into flatbreads. And we're even going to make bagels. A couple of ingredient bagels. Fantastic. Okay, that is ridiculous. We've got far too much yogurt. It's the same as we've done before, and if you didn't see that video, basically what's happening is the fluid is draining out of there into the sieve at the bottom. Now it's quite a lot in here, but we should be able to lift it up, I reckon. So there you can see it's draining already. That is draining through there quite nicely. And then you either keep the whey, use it for baking, do whatever you like, or you throw it on your plants. So that is our Greek yogurt to be. So we're going to leave that in there. It's going to go in the fridge 4 hours minimum. Same with this. Lid on. 4 hours minimum. Overnight, boom, you've cracked it. Okay, there you go. Okay, the moment of truth in here. Look at that. Look at that. That is fantastic. Fantastic Greek styled yogurt. Look how lush that is. Come on. Oh. Exceptional. All you've got to do is decide what tub you're putting it in. So that's the Greek style yogurt. What about the normal yogurt? You ready for this? Oh, look at that. That is delicious. That is delicious. Hardly any sour in any of these. Wow. Fantastic Greek style yogurt. Thick, creamy, slight sour. Normal yogurt. Absolutely banging. That is delicious. So there you go. That's how you make yogurt in the slow cooker. As easy as that. Hope you enjoy making your yogurt. Just put this on here to keep this lid on. All we're going to do is shove that in some tubs. Oh, come on. Look at that. It's almost like clotted cream. Oh, it's delicious. That is how to make real high quality yogurt. Come on. There you go. Greek yogurt right there. So there you are, that's our yogurt made. A nice simple yogurt and a Greek style yogurt. Easy to make in the slow cooker. Everybody can do it. It's so simple. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.